Welcome to Olympiad.
In this intriguing puzzle, we are tasked to identify which digits from 0 to 9 is missing in the number 2 raised to the power 29. Take a moment to think about it. I will give you 10 seconds of time. Now let's dive into the concept of digital roots, also known as a repeated digital sum. This method where we repeatedly sum the digits of a number until we reach to a single digit result. For example, the digital root of a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 6. But how? To understand this, I need to add up the numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that results into 15. And again summing up the digits, that is 1 plus 5 will give us equal to 6, and hence 6 will be the digital root of this number. Now, important note, in base 10, this is equivalent to taking the remainder upon division by 9, and which is allowing us to be used as a divisibility rule. It is simple yet a powerful tool in number theory where we explore how it can be applied to solve our puzzle. So to solve our puzzle, we need to find the missing digits, and we are going to use the fact that the digital sum of any integer n is congruent to n modulo 9. Now let's try to find 2 to the power 29 modulo 9. So for that, I'll be starting with 2 cube, that is going to be equal to 8, which is minus 1 congruent modulo 9. And 2 to the power 29 can be written as 2 cube whole to the power 9 into 2 to the power 2 is congruent with minus 4 modulo 9. So which will give us a result that 2 to the power 29 is congruent with 5 modulo 9. Now using the concept of digital sum, we can say that digital sum of 2 to the power 29 will be 5 modulo 9, and we can find the digital sum of 2 to the power 29 by adding up the numbers, that is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on till 9, and subtracting with a missing number that we are assuming to be y. So this is going to be congruent with 5 modulo 9. Now summing up the numbers will give us 45 minus the missing number is congruent with 5 modulo 9, and which will give us a result that is minus y, that is the missing number, is congruent with 5 modulo 9. So from here directly we can see that the value of y can be equal to 5, and that will be the missing number which we can use. Now here we have seen it is a simple yet a powerful tool in a number theory.
For more such interesting and informative videos, subscribe our channel.